Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today we have an unboxing for you. So, my unboxing knife for the day is my Offgrid Knives Badger, which apparently needs a good stropping. Holy crap, dude, what did I do to you? I have not taken care of this guy, but you can tell I use him. I love that freaking guy. I love it so much that I love Offgrid, and I have another Offgrid knife. I know exactly what this is, and I got this for a purpose. People were requesting it. This is the Offgrid Knives Rhino. So, people were requesting this knife, but I got this for me. I'm not necessarily going to keep it, but I wanted to do a check. A comparison, if you will, to another knife, because it reminded me of one, and in hand it does not remind me of it anymore, so maybe it was a bad idea. So this is a Offgrid Knives Rhino, and what the hell, that's like mirror power, that's crazy. Alright, so we got, first and foremost, slightly off center, actually, but not, I mean, nothing to complain about. Very oily, which is good. I mean, it's transfer. So we have a deep carry pocket clip here that is ambidextrous. A lot of hardware. This thing is so beast in hand. I was thinking in my mind that this was going to compare with the Badger. And honestly, guys, nothing like it. It is way bigger than it actually appears in pictures. Things in mirror may appear larger than they actually are in real life. Put that mirror in your bedroom. So this is a G10 with some really good texturing going on here, but it's not stupid grippy. It's just like grippy enough, right? And same on either side. We got a very cool flipper tab here that's just a round, like kind of like, almost looks like a belly button. That's an Audi. Here, hold on. Belly button. Alright, so it's a very round... Oh, well, I accidentally deployed the knife. There goes my gusto. So, yeah, there's the knife. Alright, take it away from me. Oh, wow. So here's what I'm going to say. First and foremost, I really like this much, infinitely times more than I thought I was going to. I thought I was going to be comparing it to my Badger. No, you can clearly I don't look at specs, by the way. This thing is not small. I feel like everything that I've seen on this knife, I'm like, this is a small knife. Look at this. That's my ZT-0562, and I keep bringing this out because everybody knows that this is a relatively large knife, right? It's at least some people do. Here, let's see here. And it doesn't really do anything, does it? Just makes it shine on the outside. Lame. Alright, so, yeah. Guys, the Rhino is way bigger than it looks. So, you guys may think that I'm crazy. Maybe you guys are just like, dude, you just didn't pay attention. No, I mean, I feel like I did. But, yeah, no back and forth, no up and down. And ergonomically, a monster! Oh my god! The ergonomics on this are absolutely fantastic, guys. This thing, holy smokes, I wish I had gotten this. This is better than the Black Stallion, in my opinion. This is kind of like, I love my Badger. This thing, I think I like more than the Badger at face value. Oh my god. Maybe my second favorite knife from Offgrid at this point in time. Was not expecting to love it that much. It's just that good. In hand, this thing just crushes it ergonomically. The action, and there's no back and forth. Look at that. Holy crap. It is heavier, right? The liners are milled out a little bit. Not a big deal, but yeah. No up and down. No back and forth. Perfect action. Look at that, just because the blade's so heavy. Very comfortable to flip. Super comfortable to flip. And then ergonomics. What? So, I know I'm like kind of beating a dead horse here, but this like seriously reminds me of my first feeling when I picked up the Manix 2. That is how good this is. I'm not saying it's better than the Manix 2 or anything, guys, but holy freaking crap, it is on par. Yeah, this is nice. Jeez, I love when something surprises me. That feels so cool. Please be sharp. Oh god, yeah, and it's sharper than hell too. Not like your freaking rapid fire. That thing, rapid fire pissed me off. This thing's as sharp as a whip. It has awesome action. The ergonomics are fantastic. I haven't even reviewed this yet. You guys go out and buy this knife if this appeals to you. You will not be upset. It is that good. Not trying to be like over the top, guys, but holy crap, this just surprised the living hell out of me. Like, you know, I've felt knives from $400 on down now. Some Koenigs and stuff, but I wouldn't say I would use those as a reference point because I don't have too much. And then the Medford from Sammy. But I'm telling you guys right now, I want to carry this. Like, I just got this Cheburkov in, the Cheburkov Toucan. I have my ZT-0562, which I love. This thing is begging me to carry it and use it, and this is only $60 to $70. Yes, this is a winner. You guys need to not hesitate on this. Don't sleep on this. If you like this knife, get it, because I got it because I wanted to compare it to my Badger, and it's not small like my Badger. I thought it was going to be small. It's not. Apparently, it's a freaking Rhino. So, that's really all this is going, guys. I don't have anything else to say about this. I think my reaction kind of gave this one away. So, you guys stay sharp, stay safe. Can't wait to review this. Have a great day.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. It genuinely means a lot. If you liked what you saw, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. If you didn't like it, give me some feedback in the comments below and hit the thumbs down button. In case you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon, which will be listed right here. In that Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways to just the Patreons based on the number of Patreons that we have in the Patreon. We will also be giving discounts on all the knives that I sell based on the number of patrons. My name is Tyler. This is Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe, and have a great day.